everybody. Today I'm going to be attempting to make naan. This is the first time I'll be making naan. I have no idea how to make naan. I haven't tried it before. So first we would require yeast for that. I just got this yeast from my local Indian store. You can buy any active dry yeast. First step is to add 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and measure it out, half a cup of warm water. So make sure the water is not hot, it has to be warm. As soon as you add the water, I'm not sure if you're able to see it's bubbling up, which means your yeast is alive. So I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes while I get my maida, which is all-purpose flour, ready. I have 2 cups of maida in here. I have some extra which I'm going to use for dusting. I'll also add some butter. I'm going to melt half a stick of butter in this and I'll get it ready. It's melted and it did its magic. I'm using my stand mixer today. You can use a regular bowl and use your hand to do it, but to start this I'm going to just use this in the beginning and then eventually use my hand and turn it on. I'm going to just add it in. Drizzle in some butter. It's about a tablespoon of butter. For the tanginess, we must add 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. This 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. I turned it off so that I didn't want it to splatter on me. So I'll go ahead and. So the key is you want to add more liquid or flour based on the dough. So as of now it looks okay to me. I don't have to add anything more. Let me increase the speed. And you see it's nice and soft. So I'm going to store it here in a nice bowl, and I will cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest for 1 hour. Covered it with wrap. The longer it sits the better, so I'm trying to let it rest for at least an hour. If you have more time, let it sit overnight too in the fridge. It will taste good. It will ferment a little bit and it's going to taste a bit tangier, but I'm going to use it today. So after the dough has rested well, it increased in size. See, if you look at the yeast, increased in size. Let's portion it out. don't have this, this is just a food scraper. Like after you cut, you do that. If you don't have that, just use a knife. I'm not using the oven or anything. I'm just going to use tawa. I'm making a small thin. So there are two methods. First, let me try normal method. So take some water in your hands. Wet this side. Okay. Dry your hands well. Make sure the pan is hot. I'll take it. Putting it in there. So I'm applying a little bit of butter. So now see, it's coming up. A few more minutes. So now you want to press. Simmer the flame. You want a container with a lid, okay? So keep it ready. I have this tortilla box, so I'm just going to put it in there and close it. Okay. So I'm trying this second method. Let's make this the shape of a naan, oval shape. Me and shapes, we don't get along well. I lack patience, I think. Okay. Put this water. Wipe your hands. Take it. Simmer the flame. If you have that roti thing, right, the flat, the mesh kind of thing, you can use that. This is like the tandoor. It will mimic that burnt effect on tandoor. How? This is butter naan. You see all the butter oozing? Using my mini grater, we grated one clove of garlic, and this is some melted butter. I'm going to mix this together. So after you're done with cooking of the naan, just apply this on top of it. Let me show you. So this is the garlic butter. So now the garlic butter is ready. I'm going to apply this generously here. There you go. Be sure to keep an eye. We don't want garlic to burn. See the garlic pieces. Soft and fluffy. Try this recipe and let me know if you like it. It came out very well. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you for watching. Happy cooking.